Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can lock or how you can unlock your LuxPro Thermostat PSP511LCa thermostat. So first of all, the keypad lock feature on the LuxPro allows you to restrict the access to the thermostat controls while keeping your programmed schedule running normally. So in order to first of all lock the thermostat, you need to start from the normal home screen. So over here, you need to first of all press this particular next button, and you need to also press and hold the hold button at the same time for several settings. So you need to simply press and hold these two buttons, next button and the hold button. After that, once the lock is activated on this particular display, a padlock icon is going to be appeared. So that padlock icon is going to indicate that the thermostat controls are now locked and the changes to the thermostat settings and the program functions are restricted. Now, in order to unlock it, what you need to do is you need to simply press again the next button and the hold buttons together for a few seconds, and this time that particular padlock icon should disappear from the screen, confirming that the thermostat has been unlocked and all of the controls are available again. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.